I wish to complain about this. Hello?
Yes, yes?
Good morning.
I'm sorry, sir.
Never mind that. I wish to complain about this parrot I bought from you, from this very boutique not half an hour ago.
Oh yes, it was a Norwegian blue, wasn't it?
A lovely bird, really.
Well, what's wrong with it?
It's dead.
No, it's definitely not dead.
Look, my lad, I know a dead parrot when I see one.
No. It's just resting.
Well, if it's just resting, I'll wake it up. Hello, Polly! Polly Parrot!
There, it moved.
That was you pushing the cage.
I most certainly did not.
Look, my lad, that dead parrot is definitely deceased, and when I bought it from you not half an hour ago, you assured me its lack of movement was due to be resting after a long squawk.
Well, it's true.
Long squawks can make them very tired.
It's not resting. Its resting peace ceased to be. It's passed on.
Well, in that case...
We had better replace it then.
Yes. I'm sorry, sir. We are right out of parrots.
We have a slug.
Does it talk?
Not really.
It's hardly a replacement then, is it?